Hello friends, want to make $50 with ChatGPT? I am about to show you a method that works, especially if you help YouTubers grow. Most small YouTubers struggle with writing viral title, description, and tags, and that's where you need to step in. By the end of this video, you will know how to use ChatGPT to create YouTube growth hacks and how to turn that into real cash. There are millions of YouTubers who struggle to write catchy titles, descriptions, and tags. If you can solve this problem, they will happily pay you $10 to $50 for each video. I am showing you a boring title. Now I will change it into a viral title using ChatGPT. Now let's ask ChatGPT to write viral YouTube titles. What this? There's an amazing title. Now imagine doing this for 5 YouTubers in one day. That's $50 using ChatGPT. Many people think where we sell this. You can offer it on Fiverr, Upwork, or even message small YouTubers directly on Instagram or Discord. And that's how you can use ChatGPT to make $50 helping YouTubers. Want more AI hacks like this? Subscribe for more AI hacks.